In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the Thesaurus in Microsoft Word. This feature is especially useful if you want to replace a word with a synonym or with another word that means the same thing. For instance, if I have this word right here, professionally, right? If I want to replace this word with another word that means the exact same thing, I will just highlight it. Once you highlight it, head over to the review tab right over here. Once you click review, head over to the far left right here to the proofing group section, whereby you will see the Thesaurus right over here. So you'll just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be given different names that mean the same thing as professionally. We have job-wise, we have work-wise, skillfully, expertly, competently, proficiently, efficiently, discreetly, and many more. So if you just find the word that you want, you can just go ahead and click on it. Okay? And once you click on that word, the word will be automatically applied. So if I click on it and then I get out from, let me click on it proficiently. Here it is. You can click on it. I can even hear how it sounds.
Proficiently.
There it is. And once I'm okay with it, I can just close this tab right here and now type out the particular word. Okay, proficiently. Another way you can do this is by highlighting it, and then you can right click. Once you right click, you can go ahead and select synonyms. And once you select synonyms, this pop-up menu will appear, whereby you have the most common used names that mean the same as professionally. But if you are unable to find the word, the particular word you're looking for, you can go ahead and select the Thesaurus right over here. Once you select it once again, you'll be directed to this menu whereby you'll be given more names to choose from. And that is basically how you use the Thesaurus in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, and please make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.